I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to cancel your Walmart Plus membership through the app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Walmart app. Launch the Walmart app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into the account associated with your Walmart Plus membership. Step 2. Access your account. Tap on the account icon, usually found in the bottom right corner of the app. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Go to membership details. In your account settings, look for the section labeled Walmart Plus or membership. Tap on it to access your membership information. Step 4. Select cancel membership. Once in the membership section, find the option to cancel your membership. It may be labeled as cancel membership or in membership. Tap on it. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. You may need to provide feedback or confirm your decision before the cancellation is finalized. Remember, if you accidentally tap the wrong button, you might end up on a screen asking for feedback instead of cancelling. Just navigate back to the membership section to try again. I hope this helps you easily manage your Walmart Plus membership. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.